Lady, took me down to where I've been lately. Yeah, her love can make a person hazy. Praying she won't break me down, 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 down. She makes me crazy. Never promise.
So you guys, the rotten wood here you see, this was caused by a leak in our gutters above our back door, and we got that issue fixed months ago. We decided to get some new gutters, so this problem has been fixed. So now we're going to get this piece of wood replaced prior to finishing the rest of the deck. Good morning. It's a beautiful day. My day started off a little rough, but you see I'm smiling. This is day 2 of the deck job, and it's gonna be a great day. It's a great day to have a great day. So I'm gonna go get my day started, and I'll be back in a little bit. So I'll see you guys in a bit.
Hear me calling out to you. There's all that I can do. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling. Baby, I am falling. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me.
They're beautiful. I love them. I'm gonna put some water and the plant food in there. Just wanted to kind of let you see how the arrangement looks. It is beautiful. There's like white hydrangeas, lilies. Oh, it's beautiful. I guess carnations. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, I love it. And just that little pop of periwinkle. And you know what? My wedding party, they wore periwinkle. They wore that color in the wedding.
That you want me. Tell me that you need me.
So we ordered a charcuterie board from my friend's business, and she has it decorated so cute. So cute and personalized, and she even threw in some extra little goodies there. But the presentation is so nice, and I can't wait to taste. We're gonna taste on that for our lunch today. But yeah, I just wanted to show you how our day is getting started, and I love, love, love my flowers. So happy anniversary to us. Guys, I don't know how this wine's gonna taste, but for the 14-year anniversary, this is what we're drinking. It sounds good. Let's see what Four Virtues is talking about.
Down to where I've been lately. You're all I ever dream about. Since I saw you, there's no easy way out. Hear me calling out to you. It's all that I can do. Baby, I am falling. Can't you hear me calling out that I can do?
Hey you guys, I probably have food on my mouth. We were tearing that charcuterie board up. It's delicious, MG. So, let's see what's going on back here. I think they're on lunch break. So, excuse the noise from my air conditioning unit. Oh yeah, we got a mess back here. Just see. Oh, nice. We're getting the rotted wood fixed. And I think he'll be doing the post today so they can sit. And yeah.
Since I saw you, there's no easy way out. Hear me calling out to you. It's all that I can do. Baby, I am falling. Can't you hear me calling out to you? There's all that I can do. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Baby, I am falling.
So excited about this process. Like I said, today started off really rough, but everything's worked out. You'll see how junky my backyard is. Looks like a construction site. Looks pretty bad. But yeah, so that's that. Oh, it feels good in here. It is hot outside. It's humid. I think it's going to rain this afternoon. So I hope those posts are put in before. Y'all don't mind, my kids built that this past weekend and they still have it up. I know, those kids for you. But you see that egg chair there? Now I've got 2 plants in there, but faux plants, but this is gonna go on my new deck. We have to put it together, so that hasn't been done, but it will be done by the time we get that deck finished. I'm excited about sitting in that because I got it for Mother's Day, and we didn't bother to put it together because we knew the deck was gonna get taken down. So yeah. So anyway, I guess I'll see you guys in a bit when they get a little further on the deck with the post and stuff. I'll probably give an update in a little while. So I'll see you guys a little bit later.
Yeah, yeah.
Y'all, this cake
I'm
is
sorry
so
for
good.
what I have put you through.
It is so
Still
good.
have you on my mind. My mind.
Look at that. Look
My
at
focus
that.
been drifting away from you.
When you
Just
look at the
wasn't our
crust.
time.
When you look at the crust.
You can say you can.
No. It's so good.
Feel this loneliness. Let me prove it 'cause I swear I will. Love you better. Yeah, yeah. Love you better. Oh, love you better. Love you better. Lately I've been feeling some type of way. I'm losing my mind. I know saying sorry might not be enough. Just tell me how I can make things right. Things right. You can say what you want, but I know you hurt at night. But I tried and I tried and I tried to hold you tight. So I'm here tonight, and I'm giving us one last chance, 'cause I don't wanna lose what we had. I'm not feeling right, and I'm tired of this loneliness. Let me prove it 'cause I swear I will. Love you better. Yeah, yeah. Love you better. Love you better.
Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how. Rewind, when we rewind.
Y'all, this omelet I just made, it's so fire. It's fire. Ooh, it's fire. It's fire.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how. Rewind.
Hello, you guys. It's like what day is this? Day 3? Anyway, let's go take a look and see what kind of progress we have back here in the backyard. Okay. Let's see. So, we are coming along. Look at that deck. So, this is the length. You can see where my house ends there. That was where the old deck ended. And now it's like we have double the space. Oh, that is so cool. So excited. Just take a peek around here. So that's how our length is extended. Get you a view from here. The edge. Wow. That's a nice size deck. Oh my goodness. You guys, there's a lot of wood still left out here to build the deck. So you can see we've got a lot going on here.
Yeah. Plays for me, yeah. She just wanna highlight. Ooh, that body talk to me. I need a taste, baby. Loving the way you move around me. No more delay. No, you can't wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect. Cause every time that you come around my way, I keep falling again. I keep falling again. And every time that
This is Friday. Our deck is almost finished, you guys. I'm excited. We're going back here to take a look. So let's see what everything is looking like.
Loving the way you move around me. The body don't wait to shut it down. Won't you show me how you work it? I can't find no flaws, you perfect.
So we're waiting on our balusters or our spindles to come in. They should be here today, and so he's gonna put them up tomorrow. So that'll be the last step. Comment down below. Do you think I'm gonna junk it up? Y'all knew I junked up the small deck. Am I gonna junk this one up? I don't think I'm gonna try not to. I feel like I have enough space to work with. And we've got wider stairs, so I'll have more room to kind of put a few planters. But yeah, am I gonna junk it up? Y'all comment down below. Let me know.
There's all that I can do. Tell me that you want me. Tell me that you need me. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling. Baby, I am falling. Baby, hear me calling. Lady, took me down to where I've been lately. Yeah, her love can make a person hazy. Praying she won't break me down.